Speaking of maintenance and wrecking things, properly placed, cleaned, stabilized, and otherwise maintained equipment's huge when it comes to laboratory safety. I know you care about properly calibrated machinery to ensure consistent, reliable results. But how careful are you really? Do you read the manufacturer's specs before you operate a new piece of equipment? Is it maintained regularly and serviced by a certified tech? See a blown seal or gasket? Stop work immediately and report it. Smell something burning? Stop work immediately and report it. Fume hood no longer operational? When safe, stop work immediately and report it. You're probably using large analyzers and other electrically powered equipment. Well, there's a potential electrical hazard right there. Leaks, condensation, frayed cords, the list just keeps going on. Inspect all equipment regularly, routinely, and thoroughly. Maybe I'm preaching to the choir here. I shouldn't have to tell you just how expensive and sensitive that equipment you're working on is, how prone to failure it can be, or how important your own health and that of your coworkers should be. Take care of the lab equipment, and it'll take care of you.